Hi guys, it's me Rose here at Shoes of Hollywood for you again today. I'll be doing a shoe review as requested. Now these ones are my special personal ones that I've received today, so I'm really excited to do the review on them for you guys. So they are the Pleaser KNUCKS-709. So let's give you a little close up on the label there. So if you do like these ones as much as I do, you know what to look for when you're buying them. So as always, your new pleasers always come in your very special pleaser box. Cute little butterflies on the side, so they always look beautiful in your cupboard. Okay, so let's have a little look over these. These are my special ones. Okay, so as always, you get your little pleaser shoe handbag. So it's good to take anywhere on holiday, to your girlfriend's house, anywhere you want, so you're not carrying the big chunky box with you. It keeps them protected also. So let's unpackage these ones. Have a little look-see here. Now these ones are a 7-inch heel. Look at them. Now these are my special personal ones, as I've said. So I've got my edition, now it's time for you to get yours. Alright, so take all out the special packaging to keep them protected. So keep them like this. Okay, so these are also the matte black leather look. So it's not real leather, so they are vegan friendly. Just a reminder that they are vegan friendly. So not real leather, but they look like it. So there we go. So as I said, we've got the matte black finish on the platform, and you've also got the matte black leather look for the strap and the buckle. You've got your very soft black inner sole, which is very comfortable on your feet. And again, these ones do also have the new bottom grippy soles that don't have the flip there, so it comes up a little bit so you don't get it caught and it doesn't come off as easy as they used to. So here you've got the really cool silver circles, as you call the Knux. So there you go, pretty cool. And these ones also got the open back heel and the open toe as well, so you got the extra bit of room at the back and you got extra bit of room for your toes. So there we go. So I am a size 7, so these are a size 7 that I'll be trying on today, but they will also come in all different sizes as usual. But I'm very excited to try these on and show you guys, because as I said, these are my personal ones. So okay. Then these up. Just clip these ones in, so very easy adjustable buckle strap here. There we go. Very comfortable slide on. And then your adjustable buckle strap. So there we have it, my very favorite. Alright. Give these a little bit of a walk for you guys to have a little look. Now these are extremely comfy shoes. That extra bit of support, the strap. And they're my favorite. Alright. Give a little walk around. Just show you a little spin of these ones, because they are my favorite. And ladies, trust me, these will be very popular, so get in quick, because I was the first one to snap these ones up. Alright, so a little bit of a side view. of our little beautiful little silver holes there. I think they just go brilliant with the matte black leather finish. Again, very vegan friendly, not real leather. Perfect. Alright. So we're going to take these ones for a little look outside for you, so you can get a little look in the daylight. Because at the moment, yes, we are on carpet, so I'm a little bit unstable. Can't stay out there too long as it's very hot here in Australia, so we'll do as quick as we can. And make sure you leave comments below in this video to let us know what you think about these awesome shoes, because they are my personal favourite. And also subscribe to Shoes of Hollywood, and remember the little bell up in the corner. Press on that and it'll keep you updated with all new videos, notifications and special deals like these ones, so you don't miss out. Alright, let's go for a little walk. Whew. Extremely hot here in Australia. But as it's coming into the late afternoon, it'll start to cool down a little bit, but even our cool is still very hot. So that's a lot better, a lot more comfortable and stable when you're on hard ground, not carpet. Do what we can. We'll have a little look here. The silver shines in the sun there, nice and shiny. As we're saying, ladies like shiny things. Alright. Go back inside so we don't sweat up too much, but yeah. I'm really excited about these ones, my personal ones. So I'll be wearing these with a nice set of black jeans, a nice black dress. Rock it. Very rockable. Alright, let's get inside in the air conditioning. Alright, so there we go. I'm just going to take these ones off. Alright, so we're just going to take these ones off now, and make sure to leave your thoughts and everything, what you think about these ones, in the comments below. And remember to subscribe. So getting quick with these ones, because I've already snatched up the first pair. Alright. Off we go. And that's that. We'll get one more look at those beautiful finish there. And there we have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.